Okay, video number 1, scraping a YouTube channel into Excel to create a dynamic list. So step 1 is to go to the YouTube channel that you want and figure out how to copy the list into this Excel file. So I've created a master template file, if you will, that contains the list, and the first thing I do is I delete what was in there previously, and you'll notice that all of these YouTube links disappear, and that is because, so I'm going to delete it again, I have a user-defined function set up in this file that will extract the URL out of a link. So that doesn't populate until there is URL content in here. So let's go over to the YouTube channel, and we're going to go with a big one. I haven't done this one yet, but Mike Gervin, 3,400 plus videos. So it takes a little time to get that list, but here's how you do it. Go to the videos, select play all.
For just $67, you can
Stop that. You'll get this list over here. What you want to do is click on Uploads from Excel is Fun to get to this view. And once you get to this view, you want to just copy, like highlight a couple at the top, and then you just scroll down, and it will go 100 at a time. Okay? And you could either drag I'm going to keep dragging or scrolling down. I'm not going to make you go through this whole thing. Okay, so once you get to the bottom, you hold down the Shift key. Make sure that you select this first number, because you don't want to expand beyond or lose the range. You can see I'm just hitting the down arrow key to get that. So now I have everything, and I'm just going to do Control C, come back over to my Excel file, get myself out of the way, and I'm going to paste in here. So once it's pasted in, and that does take a while when you're doing this, we'll see how many rows of data I have pretty soon, but you'll see that this populates over here based on these formulas. Now, depending on the number you put in here, that get URL function has not been copied all the way. Okay, it's only gone this far, so I have to copy this down to the rest of my range. Okay, so I'm just going to do Control C, and I'm going to, you'll see there's a lot. So you can see I have copied the get URL user-defined function and down to row 15,327. We now have the data that we go to the next step, which is putting it into Google Sheets so that we can pull out some function, the time piece, and then use it from Google Sheets to import it back into Excel using PowerQuery to get a list. So step 1 done. 3,432 videos, 33 videos into Excel with the URL extracted. Well, last step is, once you have this, save the file under another name. So in my case, YouTube paste we'll call this Excel is Fun, and save it. That's it.